Lessons 6 to 10 from Arabic Simplified, a practical grammar of written Arabic in 200 lessons by Arthur T. Upson. Read for the Arabic Language Learning Collection, Volume 1. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Abu Jalal. Arabic Simplified, a practical grammar of written Arabic in 200 lessons, with exercises, test papers and reading book by Arthur T. Upson, Abdul Fadi al-Qahirani. Lesson 6, Tanween. 1. Transliterate the Arabic for book, Kitabun. 2. Why have we put a mark over the A here? To show it is the long A and not the short one in ketebe. 3. How are we to know when it is long and not short, since it is fatha in each case? The fatha, when followed by a prolonging alif, is always long. Example: gate, babun. But distinguish this from ra'sun, head, in which alif carries hamza sukun and is not long alif. 4. What is a tanween dhamma once more? It is a dhamma, or a short vowel u, written twice, placed over the last letter of a word, as in this word gate and in book. See 1. The name means a dhamma with a noon sound. See 5.3. 5. Are there any other tanweens? Yes. The 2 other short vowels can be used in the same way, that is, doubled over the last letter. Thus we get tanween dhamma, kitabun, tanween fatha, kitaban. Note the added alif here. Tanween kasra, kitabin. 6. Have these 3 tanweens any practical use? Yes. The presence of either of the tanweens denotes that the noun is indefinite. For example, a man, a book. Also, that it is a declinable noun, that is, capable of taking all 3 cases. 1. The tanween dhamma denotes that a noun is the subject of the sentence, the nominative case. 2. The tanween fatha over an alif for a masculine noun denotes that a noun is the direct object of a verb, the accusative case. See 9 below. 3. The tanween kasra denotes the indirect object governed by a preposition, for example. Note well, a single dhamma, fatha or kasra indicates the nominative, accusative or genitive case of the definite noun, as the tanween vowel does on the indefinite noun. 7. What is this sign? Jim. It is the letter Jim, which is the English J, but pronounced hard G in Egypt. The initial form of it, initial Jim, is found in man, rajulun, and its final form is final Jim. 8. When will a noun take the tanween dhamma? When it is the subject of a sentence, as man in the sentence, a man wrote a letter. Man is in the nominative case. Its form, therefore, is rajulun. 9. When will a noun take the tanween fatha over an alif? When it is the direct object of the action of a verb, that is, in the accusative case, as, for example, a book in the following sentence: a man wrote a book. كتب رجل كتابا. 10. Note well, the order is usually that of the verb first, but the noun may be placed first for emphasis. The verb is put in the singular when it precedes its subject. Exercise 6a. Read aloud and translate. Correct by 6b. كتبت كتابا. كتبت كتابا. أكتب كتابا؟ ما ضرب رجلا. أكتب رجل كتابا؟ قرأ رجل كتابا. ما قرأت كتابا. أما ضربت رجلا؟ Exercise 6b. To Arabic, afterwards correcting by 6a. 1. I wrote a book. 2. She wrote a book. 3. Has he written a book? 4. He has not struck a man. 5. Did a man write a book? 6. A man read a book. 7. She did not read a book. 8. Didst thou not strike a man? Self-test 6. 1. How can the fatha become a long vowel? 2. What is a tanween fatha, and what letter always accompanies it with the masculine noun? 3. In what case is a noun which has a tanween fatha? Lesson 7. 1. Let us classify the characters met with and a few others. Name: alif, initial alif, medial alif, final alif, separate alif. Power: a. Name: ba, initial ba, medial ba, final ba, separate ba. Power: b. Name: ta, initial ta, medial ta, final ta, separate ta. Power: t. Name: jim, initial jim, medial jim, final jim, separate jim. Power: j. Name: ha, initial ha, medial ha, final ha, separate ha. Power: h. Name: kha, initial kha, medial kha, final kha, separate kha. Power: kh. Name: ra, initial ra, medial ra, final ra, separate ra. Power: r. Name: dad, initial dad, medial dad, final dad, separate dad. Power: b. Name: qaf, initial qaf, medial qaf, final qaf, separate qaf. Power: q. Name: kaf, initial kaf, medial kaf, final kaf, separate kaf. Power: k. Name: lam, initial lam, medial lam, final lam, separate lam. Power: l. Name: meme, initial meme, medial meme, final meme, separate meme. Power: m. Ha, or ha, is a heavy H from the back of the mouth. Kha is the CH in loch. It may be practiced with an educated Scotchman. 2. What vowels have we used? A. We have used the only 3 short vowels there are. Fatha with a sound as in patch. Kasra with I sound as in tin. Dhamma with U sound as in bush. B. We have only used one of the 3 long vowels, namely